Once upon a time, there was a man who sometimes used to give his donkey on rent. One day, a man asked him, "Can I hear your donkey for a one day?" The owner said, "Sure, but you will have to pay me $2." The man immediately paid him $2. Now, it was a very hot day. Both the men wanted to stand in the donkey's shadow in order to be cool. But there was room only for one, so they started pushing each other. The man said, "Go away, I have tied on the donkey." The owner said, "You have tied the donkey, but not his shadow." Their argument led to a big fight. While fighting, one of them happened to kick the donkey. The poor donkey got alarmed. He immediately scampered away, leaving the two men red faced. Now there was no donkey and no shadow. Both the men regretted